So the first page is home page, right? So the test case name also you can create like a home page test. Okay, home page test. Then you extend the this test base class. This test base class. Automatically the browser and application will launch. So let's create this, and what annotations we need, you can take the annotations also. So I might need before class, before method, after method, right click and test ng, create test ng class. You take whatever the methods you want, before class, before method, after class, after method I want. So, and I'm giving the my class name, home page test, home page test. So click on finish. So then extend test base class. So these are all examples you can give for the inheritance. So your page test cases also extending to child classes. Now, so I'm going to create a logger first. So let's create a logger. Already we created many loggers in each class, private. So logger log equal to log manager dot get logger. Home page test dot class dot get name. So import log manager by this logger first import logging Apache log manager home page test. Let me take from here. Okay, so done. Result type. Okay, sometimes you will get this kind of problems. What you need to do simply, so just do right click on the project. Okay, Maven, update, Maven, update project. So force update, you do that. That's it. So then your problems will be solved automatically. Okay, that's it. See, the issue is solved. So now we need to design the test cases. So what is the first test case? So you have to initialize your classes, right? Already in this factory test base class, you already declared a variable. So this variable you use in this class and then create object for that. So that if one time if you create object, that's more than enough. So we don't want, but you need to decide in the home page what are all you need. You are going to navigate to registration page. You need a registration page object also. You need a login page because you are navigating to login page also. These three pages we need. These three pages we need. So those three pages object you create. So just go and copy it and just create a in the before class. Just in the before class, you just create them. Okay. So home page equal to new home page of driver. So registration page equal to new registration page of driver. So login page equal to new this one driver. Okay. So this is how you can create objects for the all the page classes. So you can simply say that initializing the page class objects. Log.info page class objects. Page class objects. That's it. So then in the before method, so you need to understand what we are doing here. So we are just creating different test cases. So go to home page. In the home page, what methods you have? Open my account menu, navigate to register. This is the one test case. This is another test case. Different test case you can create. This is the one test case. This is the another test case. And if you want all these elements exist or not, you can see another. Okay. So let's go and create all of them. So every time, so before method and after method, you know already. And so this title also, if you want to verify, you can verify also, right? I'll verify the page title one first. Or this logo is present or not. Logo is present or not, I'll verify. That's my first test case. My first test case is verify. So I can put a open cart logo test. So verify open cart logo test. So in the description, you can write description equal to, you can write, so maybe test case 01, your test case name, you can write. So underscore verifying the open cart logo. So I'm just writing that. So how can you verify that? You just write log.info verify the logo text. set dot assert true, because already a boolean command is there. Home page dot is open cart logo exist. That's it. That's one simple test case. So then you can verify the open cart page title. One more. @test public void, right? Verify open cart page title test. Okay, so you verify the open cart page title test. So you get the page title. You already know how to get the page title. Verify open cart page title test. So set dot asset equals. So asset equals home page dot get title. That's the actual title. And expected is it's there in the constants. Constants home page title. So that's another test case. You can write a description here like this. EC02. So verifying the open cart page title. So next another test case. Maybe so we will check featured card count is 4 or not, right? That's another assertion you can put. So I can copy this. We can write another assertion. So TC03. So verifying the featured section. Section cards count. So verify featured cards count. Feature cards count test. Okay. So then how can you do asset dot? So maybe you can put asset equals if you know, but we don't know, right? This put asset to true. Asset to true. Home page and your count. What is that? So there is a get featured section count equal to 4. to each method, whatever you have written. So that we verified this one, and this one. So now these two are left. So I need to call, right, navigate to registration page. That's another test case. Let's create another test case. So navigate to registration page. Navigate to login page. Another test case. So I'll write another test case. So TC04. So navigate to registration page. Navigate to registration page. So here also I will just put here. So navigate to registration page. So first what you need to do, you have to click on so that one, right? You have to click on menu. Then only, oh, I think it is there already. So in this, we already called, okay, here we already called, just you need to call this method. So how to call this method? That object, home page object, that's a home page object, home page object dot. So navigate to registration page. That's it. And you can, so when you click on that, it will go to registration page, right? Then immediately what you need to do is, so you wait. So you wait for the page load. So reg, so page dot wait for page load. Wait for page load. So how much you need to wait for a page load? So 2000 seconds, milliseconds. Then log.info. I'm going to verify page title. Okay, registration page title. So you can verify the registration page title. Verify the registration page title. How to verify the registration page title? You can put asset dot asset equals asset equals. So you write reg page dot. So get title. Constants. Dot. So registration page date. So log.info. Then you can click on breadcrumb. So this breadcrumb. So whatever we have. Okay, so we have breadcrumb, right? That when you navigate, there is a home icon. There you can navigate. So that we can do that. Okay, so I don't know how many of you accessed this website. It got some problem. Okay, so anyhow, we have to click on this breadcrumb. So click on home breadcrumb. Click on home breadcrumb icon in registration page. So reg pz dot click on breadcrumb home icon. So now it will go to home page. So there I am going to write here the verify the so home page title. If you want, you can verify the home page title simply. I can wait for this home page dot wait for page load 2000 milliseconds. Then asset dot asset equals, you can put asset equals. So you can write home page dot get title and constants dot home page title. So that every test case before first it will execute. Then it will go to first test case. First test case. Then, so after method will execute. So after method also I'm expecting. So the same kind of this. We know we need this. I just need this also. You don't need this one. First you can verifying. Before we don't need, after. Because every time you will, so this test after, this will execute. That's what after clicking, whether you reached the home page or not, you can check with this after method. Every time it repeats. So these statements. Every test before this will execute. Then it will go to test method. So same way. So navigate to login page. Login page. So login page test. Okay. So you have to use login. So then verify the login page title. So here you can put login page title. So then you can click on, again you can come back. So home icon, you can click on home icon. So click on home breadcrumb icon in login page. It's just that page dot the methods, page dot methods, page dot methods. So that's all about first test case. So let's go and execute this. But I didn't give any priority here. So make sure it is executing in the order. So I'll give this as a priority 1. Right. So order we have given. So now you can run your test case because so where you have written the page opening, browser opening, application URL opening. We didn't write anywhere, right? You have written already here in the test case. Automatically it will trigger from there. So you can create a suite file. So let's create a suite file. How to create a suite file? Home page test, test.ng, convert to test.ng. So you can see open card suite. Test. And you can give your XML here itself. And the root package, root folder I'm giving. Escape. So here I have given. So this is the one. So so you need to include your listeners. So to get a reports. So just include the reports. So listener. So there is a listener after soup tag. You have to include a listener. Listeners. So listeners below again one more. So listener class name you have to mention. So what is the class name? Com dot listeners dot extent report listener. Test allure listener. So right click, run as test ng suite. Okay. No such method. Okay. Fail to load class or static logger binder. Sim static logger. Okay, we got errors. Let's see. So what is the error? No such method. Void or static logger implementation. So if you get problems like this, simply Google it. Simply you need to Google that. And test, everything is correct only. I don't know why we are getting this problem. Everything is correct only. Only. No issues here. And where we are getting the problem. Okay. We need to search here. So let's go and search this issue. What is the issue? Go to Google. Why not to bad gateway? Okay. We have already test engine. So do we have test engine library? Let's add this test engine library. That's what it is saying. Build path, add libraries, test engine. Okay. Maybe that is the solution they are telling, but let's run where we got a solution or not. We are good. See, browser is launched. Okay, we're done. See, it's highlighting. See, that's a home icon, breadcrumb home icon. Then login page, it is navigating. Again, navigating back to home page. That's all the test cases. See 5 test cases, 5 pass, and you can see the reports also. Right click, refresh. So you will get here, see reports. You will get the reports here. Can you see this? This is the report, extent report. Just copy paste this in the browser. So that's what, you know, anytime if you get a problem, don't stuck there. Google it. Always go to Stack Overflow. So you will get answers. So simply I saw that and I added it. So based on these simple steps. So that's why always Google it and read multiple. You have to read and you will get a solution. See all the test cases. See, this is the one. So that's it. These all test cases are passed. Okay, so that's a one test case. Home page, only home page we have written. So let's go and write other test cases. We have so many, right? You have to write so registration test case. Then you have to write my account page test cases. You have to write results page test cases. You have to write product details page test cases. So all these test cases you have to write. So let's join back and we'll write one more page test case. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.